In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Stay Awake in developer options on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find the Stay Awake option. On some Android devices, including mine, this option may be called Don't Lock Screen. Tap the toggle next to Stay Awake or Don't Lock Screen to turn it on. When enabled, your phone screen will remain on while the device is charging, preventing it from automatically going to sleep. This feature can be useful for testing apps, monitoring information on the screen, following tutorials, or keeping your device active during charging. Keep in mind that this feature only works when your phone is connected to a charger. That's it. You have successfully enabled Stay Awake in developer options on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.